Hello friends, in this video we are going to look after how to complement the given function. Let us begin. Let us start with the first problem. Assume that f function is given, which is a plus b bar c, and therefore calculate f complement. So ultimately f as a function given, which is function of abc, which is a plus b bar c, and what you have to calculate is f complement. So let's see how to deal with such problems. Since f is a plus b bar c, I can say f complement is equal to the whole complement. And now we have learned something called as De Morgan's theorem, in which we see that a plus b the whole bar is equal to what? It is a bar dot b bar. So I can use a De Morgan's theorem. I can treat this as a and treat the whole b bar c as b itself. So by applying De Morgan's theorem, now I can write it is a bar dot b bar c whole bar. I hope you get my point. The moment you get the product, make a habit to make a bracket over here. Later on, we have also learned that if it is a dot b whole bar, again this is also a De Morgan's theorem, this is equal to a bar plus b bar. Can you see that now it is applicable over here? So I can write this as a bar dot, and now let me apply De Morgan's theorem again. Then I can write b bar and again bar plus c bar. You know the fact that double complement always cancel each other. So in a way, now I can write f complement equal to a bar, and in the bracket b double bar becomes b plus c bar. I'm sure you understood how to take the complement of the function. Let me tell you, since you are preparing for competitive exams like a GATE exam, here, as I keep saying that time is money, so you have to save time. Now you know what, this problem was a smaller one. For small problems, if you go for a traditional method, which I have explained you, is definitely not going to take so much time. But for the bigger problems, which we will do after this, is going to take time if you go for a traditional method. Obviously, even how to deal with the traditional method should be known to you. What I'm here to tell you the shortcuts. So same problem I will solve, but by using shortcuts. So what is that shortcut? Let us see. So we are here to see the steps of complementing the function. Step number one. In step number one, what you do is just replace product with sum, and obviously sum with product. So let me just rewrite like this. Replace product with sum and replace sum with product. Then step number two. Complement each literal. Literal means variable. Whatever variable you see, just complement it. Now let's take the previous sum again. F given, it was a plus b bar c. Is that right? Now I have to get f complement. So I have to take a complement of this, that is a plus b bar c. I have to complement it. So how to get the answer in two steps? In step number one, what I said, wherever there is a dot, replace with sum, and wherever there is sum, replace with dot. Dot means product. Okay, so replace product with sum with product. That's it. So let me just write, a, there is a sum, so sum has to be replaced with what? Product. Wherever there is a product, I'm going to put a bracket, then b bar, again there is a dot, that is product, I'm going to replace with sum. So this is the first step I'm going to do. Let me tell you, this time ignore this term, directly get f bar in two steps. Okay, so what is f complement? Once again, check it out. I have copied a as it is, sum is replaced with product, product is replaced with sum, like that. Once you do that, I would say step number 1 is over. Step number 2, what step number 2 says? Complement each literal, that is complement every variable. So let me just rewrite this. A dot b bar plus c. So I need to complement every literal. And now you understand very well. A bar remains A bar in bracket. B double bar means it is B plus C bar. And just check, it is same as the previous. Check it out, what F bar you got there. The same. Can you see that we have solved this within 2 steps? We don't even have to apply the De Morgan's theorem. Let's see 2 more problems. So question number 2 is to solve A bar plus B. In the bracket we have C plus D bar and the whole bar. Okay, so what I have to again calculate is F bar only. So let me first of all copy F. So what is originally F? It is without bar, that is it is A bar plus B dot C plus D bar, isn't it? So as I said that you have to first of all write F bar. So what is F bar? Okay, I told you to solve this in 2 steps. Step number 1 is to replace sum with product with sum. So this is your step 1. So let us go for step 1 only. So I can now write A bar as it is. Sum has to be replaced with product. The moment I get product, I'm going to put a bracket. Then B as it is. Then there is a product, I'm going to replace with sum. Then what I have is C plus D bar. So I'm going to write this as C dot D bar. I hope you are clear with that. And once I do that, if you remember step number 2, what was step number 2? Step number 2 was simply complement each variable. So let us try to complement every variable here. So I'm highlighting step number 2 with the red color. So like this, every variable should be complemented. In a way, what F bar I supposed to get is A double bar, cancel each other. So B bar plus C bar dot D, and that's it. This is your F bar. And otherwise we can actually apply the traditional method and we can solve this. Let us apply traditional method. See what we have to solve. Let me rewrite again. It is A bar plus B dot C plus D bar, the whole bar. So treat this one as A and this whole thing as B, and you know that A plus B whole bar is A bar into B bar. So I can rewrite this as A double bar multiplied by B into bracket C plus D bar and the whole bar, isn't it? Next, double bar cancel each other, so it is going to remain A only in the bracket. Now try to understand, this is as good as A dot B whole bar is A bar plus B bar, am I right? So what I can write now, it is B bar plus C plus D bar whole bar. I hope you understood this. Next, again I can apply De Morgan's theorem on this by using rule A plus B whole bar is A bar dot B bar. So let me rewrite this as A into bracket B bar as it is plus C bar dot D double bar, and D double bar is D only. So now look at this. This is your F complement. Compare the first equation with the second, you will find it same. I hope now you have understood how to do it quickly. Let me solve one more problem, and that is enough to understand this topic. So again, question number 3, F is given, which is A dot B bar plus B bar C D bar, and therefore calculate F complement. So I would request you to pause this video and try to get F bar yourself, and once you are finished with that, then you can resume and see what you have solved is correct or not. I'm sure you must have solved this. So what I want is f bar. We do that in 2 steps if you remember. So we write A as it is, we replace product with sum, then sum with product. The moment product comes, put this into bracket. In the other bracket it is B bar. Again there are 2 products here, it becomes 2 sum, like that. And then once you do that, you're going to complement every literal. So now what is going to happen? This is A bar, B double bar, B double bar, C bar, D double bar, and we are done. So what F bar is now? F bar is simply A bar plus B as it is, dot B double bar means it is B plus C bar plus D. So now also I leave it up to you to do this as a homework. Try to get F bar by even using a traditional method, because knowing the traditional method is equally important. Thank you.